In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply on a Slack thread. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to help you communicate effectively in your workplace channels. So let's dive right in and learn how to join a conversation seamlessly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Slack's official website. If you're a part of a team utilizing Slack for communication, this is where you'll typically start your day. Slack serves as a hub for team collaboration, integrating various tools and allowing for instant messaging across your organization. Once you're on the Slack page, you'll see the option to sign in. A convenient way to do this is by clicking Sign in with Google, especially if your organization uses Google Workspace. This streamlines the process and in most cases pre-fills your credentials. Simply click this button and follow any additional prompts to access your Slack workspace securely. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is your home screen, filled with a list of channels on the left, along with any direct messages or notifications from teammates. Now focus your eyes on the panel on the left-hand side. Among your listed options, you'll find Threads. Clicking on this helps you navigate directly to ongoing conversations. Once you're inside the Threads section, you'll see a list of discussions you've been part of or tagged in. To engage in a specific conversation, click on the View Thread option associated with the message or topic you're interested in. This action opens up the full conversation, presenting you with the context you need to contribute meaningfully. Now comes the most interactive part, engaging in the thread itself. You'll find a reply field open for your input at the bottom of the thread. Click on Reply to type your message, whether it's providing feedback, answering a question, or simply acknowledging an update. Craft your message thoughtfully, considering tone and clarity for the receiver. Once satisfied with your response, hit enter or click the send button to make your contribution part of the discussion. Replying to threads in Slack is a powerful way to stay involved and provide timely feedback in a collaborative environment. By focusing replies in a dedicated thread, conversations remain organized, preventing main channels from becoming cluttered with multiple topic streams. It's a straightforward way to maintain productivity while staying connected with your team, and there you have it, a simple yet effective guide on how to reply on Slack threads. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage and participate in conversations, ensuring everything you say is seen by the right people in the right context. Thank you for watching, and happy threading.